Firstly, compact and portable. LS251D, equipped with a D-type impact device, is ideal for quick on-site hardness testing. Secondly, worry-free multi-angle measurements. Built-in orientation sensor, it automatically compensates for angle errors without manual angle input, ensuring accurate measurements from all directions. Thirdly, dual-coil technology. It utilizes dual-coil technology and passes inspection by authoritative metrology institutes, ensuring excellent accuracy and repeatability. Finally, multiple hardness scale conversions. It provides various hardness scales, allowing seamless conversion between Leeb, HL, Vickers, HV, Brunel, HB, Shore, HS, and Rockwell, HRA/HRB/HRC, without manual lookup. LS251D Leeb Hardness Tester is ideal for fast and reliable field hardness testing.